Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install applications on your XIAOMI Mi TV Box 3S. First of all, we're gonna have to make sure that our device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. So navigate to the quick settings menu and make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. And after that, let's open the apps menu on the bar on the top of the screen, and then we can either select for an application in some specific category, or we can just check out the featured applications, or we can use a search bar. If you want to search for a specific application, you can open the search bar and then either enter the application's name using the on-screen keyboard, or just press and hold the microphone button on your remote control and say the name of the application. For example, Spotify. Oh, and we're gonna have to allow this app using microphone usage. Spotify.
Results for Spotify.
Then select the application that you want to install, click install, and then wait until it is downloaded and installed on your TV box. And then we can open it either right here, or we can instead go to the home screen and then search for this application in our apps list. And here it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.